time for my Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, I've had a lot of coffee. Hi everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here, and it's time for my Boxycharm unboxing. As you can see, I've already kind of peeked. I have no self-control. So, what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month subscription where you get 5 full-size cosmetic products. It could be anything from brushes, like this one from Luxie. It's the 3-piece flawless complexion brushes. And we'll try it this afternoon, or morning, I guess it is. I have a doctor's appointment this afternoon, so we're doing this earlier than normal. It could be these lashes. Yeah, we got lashes. I don't normally wear lashes because, you know, I'm new at this, but we got them. It could be this. Oh, and those lashes are from Paddington. And we'll show them off. Paddington lashes. From what I understand, you could wear these multiple times if you take care of them. So that's fun. It could be this liquid lipstick in the color Blossom from the brand Galactic. Bam. So here, we'll swatch this because I'm wearing it today. I'm gonna pass it on a Galactic. I love that formula. So here's the swatch. There we go. It could be this eyeliner from Jean Bleu. I know some people out there, because I watch unboxings, they didn't know how to say that, but I got it. And there's this palette from Alamar Cosmetics. It broke on me just a little bit, but it's a color that I have a feeling if you use it, it packs a lot of punch. So there's a picture of it. Pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna play with the eyeshadow and do a full face and enjoy. My eyes are already primed with the Nude Matte, I believe is what it says, eyeshadow primer. So yeah, by the way, I'm gonna scooch in. I'm going in with the color Cocoa Taxi, which is this orangey beautiful color, and I'm gonna use that as my transition because hell, why not? Next, I'm going to go into the color Tropico. I'm going to do a warm, mostly warm. I am going to build up Tropico in the outer portion of my crease, or the outer portion of my lid, and just blend it in. I'm going to take that original brush because this Wet n Wild crease brush, it's a good blending brush. Oh, in the outer V, I'm going to take the color Guantanamera. It's just a pretty color. Ironically, this is one of my favorite Spanish language songs, Guantanamera. When we went to Huatulco, Mexico this past February, and there is a mariachi band, or a band in general, I don't know. They wore mariachi clothes, and whenever they played Guantanamera, I would stop in my tracks and have to seek it out because I grew up with this. My family is of Hispanic descent, and when I was young, my mom dated a gentleman who family was real Mexican. Like, my family was like Taco Bell Mexican, or is like Taco Bell Mexican, but his family was real Mexican. And I just remember hearing that song when I was a young person. And so for me, it was just, I have to stop and listen to it. I knew the words, but it took me a while to realize where I knew the words from. It brought back lots of good memories. Now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. And I just use a cotton round with some micellar water, because I am almost out, so might as well downgrade the big bottle to in here, alright? So I'm gonna clean this out in my color switch dupe thingy from Ulta and blend some. Now I think I'm gonna go into color La Costa and put that in my center third, or the inner half of my lid. Heck, that's a nice shimmer. And I will end up blending that in and over. But we're just gonna lay it down first with a really big brush. This is an intense shimmer. There is no Fix Plus. I didn't wet it at all. Now I'm gonna blend, because you know, that's what you do. I'd like to say blending is cardio. Not for me. Mostly because blending is relaxing for me. Cardio is different. I love it. I do it. Love is a strong word. I am going to go away and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so little change in plans. I forgot. I got so excited about the eyeshadow palette, I forgot about the brushes. So we're gonna put these to the test. I am going to use the Pure Bronze and Brighten that we got earlier this year, and it's actually a good color for me. So if you forgot what it is, bam, it has a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer. So I put my base on. It was a mixture of CC cream, illumination, and not in regular, and I went ahead and I set it with a Coty Airspun. So anyway, I'm gonna go in, and I actually like to use a bigger, fluffier brush to bronze. So I have this one from Aesthetica, which we got in Boxycharm a couple months ago. So we're gonna go in and do that. Guys, I am thinking of getting my hair cut. What do you guys think? Yay or yay? Which one? I mean, should I keep it the way it is, which is longer, or should I just go ahead and do it? And by the way, I did use this also to contour a little bit with the bronzer. So now I am gonna go in. We're gonna use that for highlight. I'm gonna use this one here. It's the 660 Precision Foundation Brush. And then they have, I didn't even look at that. don't care if it's foundation. I'm using it for blush. You use the brushes however you see fit. That's pretty much it, guys. But yeah, the brushes are nice and soft. I am using the 522 tapered brush. Tapered highlighter. Basically, I'm using the highlighter brush that we got in that trio to highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish. I'm gonna put on, I'm not going to use this today because I have a lot open. I'm gonna tight line and we'll come right back. So what I totally forgot to mention in my unboxing is we got the Sol de Janeiro little itty bitty thing. So I need to put lotion on my arms. It works out. It's covered. I have my tweezer dealies. We're gonna get it open. Holy heck. This smells like a pina colada. That's delicious. So I scraped off the dealie and I'm just putting it on my elbows, but good Lord, that smells really good. See, I am one that I just go for whatever lotion is cheap, and I don't believe that anything is gonna tighten my skin other than what I already, you know, diet and exercise, collagen, you know, and by collagen I truly mean producing more. But oh my goodness, that smells so good. I can see why everyone's like, I love this stuff. But hey, I am cheap and we're gonna use what comes in our subscription boxes because that's the best way to get it. It's a value then. It's a bonus. But here's the thing, one thing I'm excited for. I love the previous Galactic lippies I've gotten in the past. And so we're gonna try this one in the color Blossom. Okay, this color is gorgeous. I'm going to take it with me to the doctor's office and we're going to see what's up. Now, just so you guys know, this palette has not seen its last appearance here. It's beautiful. Hey guys, so that is my Boxycharm unboxing and try on thing. And I'm getting ready to go to the doctor. So it's my specialist. It's like an hour away. I'm picking up after myself as I'm sitting here talking because that makes sense. Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Oh, and sorry for the late upload. But hey, if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like. See the thingy over here? Subscribe. That thingy over there. And comment below. And oh, and when you subscribe, hit the little bell thingy. No, right there in front of my face. Hit all.